The 21st century is a century for the great development of underground space. Since the end of the 20th century, the first generation of CREG people, who came from tunnel construction enterprises, have taken revitalizing the national industry as their own duty. During the practice of solving global construction problems with long-term use of foreign brand equipment, they made up their minds to make the most advanced engineering equipment in the world and improve the modernization level of tunnel construction so as to liberate people from dangerous work. For over 10 years, China Railway Equipment Engineering Group Company Limited has taken the road of combining introduction, digestion and absorption, and independent innovation to innovate bravely and make breakthroughs continuously, which has realized the leaping development of shield TBM manufacturing from nothing to something, from small to large, and from first in China to leading in the world. At present, CREG has developed into an engineering equipment group from a professional company, boasting the soundest business of the tunnel equipment in China, which devotes itself to forging a world-class, comprehensive service provider of engineering equipment. Since the year of 2000, CREG people shouldering the mission of achieving modernization of the national industry with innovation and creation as the enterprise soul, have successfully undertaken 5 national 863 scientific research projects, such as the research for the 6.3 meters full-face TBM design, research and applications of key technologies of cutter head and cutters and hydraulic driving system for the shield TBM, the technology digestion and design of the large diameter slurry TBM, the development of the mix shield TBM prototype, and research and applications of key technologies of TBM cutting and measuring and controlling system in gravel composite formation, and has undertaken the 973 scientific research project of the efficient rock breaking mechanism in the hard rock environment and the tunneling load transmitting rule. CREG, together with Zhejiang University, Tianjin University, Zhengzhou University, and Shijiazhuang Tiedao University, participated in the 863 scientific research projects of the research and application of key technology of large diameter hard rock tunneling equipment and R&D of full-face tunneling common technology, and mastering the core idea and technology of TBM manufacturing. In April 2008, the first mixed-type EPB TBM in China, CREG No. 1, was off the production line successfully and was applied to Tianjin subway. The performance of the machine reaches the advanced level in China, and many key technologies are leading in the world. On December 23, 2009, China Railway Tunneling Equipment Company Limited was founded in Zhengzhou, Henan, opening the industrialization of the tunnel equipment. Based on decades of experience accumulation of tunnel construction and deep understanding of the complicated geology, CREG's tunnel shield industry has achieved rapid development, and its products have been applied to engineering construction of subways, municipal administration, water conservancy, railways and roads of more than 30 cities, such as Beijing, Tianjin, Shenyang, Xi'an, Dalian, Chengdu, Shenzhen, Nanning, and more. Currently, CREG, with 6 member enterprises, 5 joint stock enterprises, and 4 enterprises directly under the group, has set up 10 marketing centers in China and 4 marketing institutions abroad. CREG, with making tunnel construction quicker, better, safer as its mission, advocates the enterprise policy of specialized manufacturing and professional services, strictly implements the quality, environment, occupational health and safety integrated management system, practices the personalized design and lean production, insists on the quality concept of that products represent moral quality and quality embodies virtues, carries out the joint development of standards together with cooperators from details, strengthens the supplier management, rigorously controls each link, and with a rigorous attitude, forges the industrial manufacturing spirit of making perfection more perfect. In 2011, CREG carried out manufacturing of foreign single shield TBM and completed the manufacturing task half a year ahead of schedule. making the construction of Gansu Intao River Diversion Project complete the tunneling of 7 kilometers within 4 months from stand-down, which has made a world record of 1,868 meters monthly progress. In 2010, China Railway Engineering Equipment Group provided 9 sets of mixed-type hard rock TBM for Chongqing Subway once, completing all tunneling successfully. In 2013, CREG provided 17 sets of Shield TBM for Shenzhen Subway, winning appreciation of clients and owners again. In June 2013, CREG's 21 sets of Shield TBMs were applied to the construction of Chengdu Subway, whose adaptation and tunneling efficiency are far better than those of Shield TBMs of any foreign brand. In the same year, the Shield TBM made by CREG was used to the construction of Malaysia Subway, taking the lead in completing the tunneling task among the 10 Shield TBMs. CREG focuses on taking the commanding height of R&D of Shield TBM design and research, and has made a great contribution to the development of China's heavy equipment manufacturing industry. On October 26, 2012, CREG's Shield TBM photos of various diameters were elected into the large photo exhibition of scientific development and great achievements, which became the pride of Chinese people together with Shenzhou 10 and Jiaolong. In 2013, CREG participated in the topic of the key technology of independent design and manufacturing and industrialization of Shield TBM equipment, and won the first prize of the National Scientific and Technical Progress Award. On December 13, 2013, the largest rectangular Shield TBM in the world, which was independently developed by China, was off the production line in CREG. On the morning of the 10th of May 2014, Chinese President Xi Jinping made an inspection visit to the Shield TBM workshop of China Railway Engineering Equipment Group Company Limited. Xi boarded an 85-meter-long TBM machine. Xi lauded the independent innovation at the China Railway Engineering Equipment Group Company Limited after visiting an assembly plant of the company. Xi raised higher requirements for CREG's future development during the visit. Xi said, "Equipment manufacturing is the backbone of a country's manufacturing industry, but weakness still exists in many aspects of China's equipment manufacturing. China needs to boost investment, enhance research and development efforts to accelerate the development of the sector, and gain a say in terms of advanced technology in the world," he said. For an era of enterprise, the fundamental way to break through development bottlenecks and solve deep-seated contradictions and problems lies in innovation and relies on science and technology. The establishment of a technological innovation system shall be facilitated to take enterprise as mainstay, market as orientation, and combine production, learning, and research. China shall strengthen the construction of innovative talents team and innovate service platform and promote the close bonding of science and technology with the economy. Through innovation and technological development, the country should push for the transformation from made in China to created in China, from China speed to China quality, and from Chinese products to Chinese brands, according to Xi. CREG actively carries out 2 major mechanisms of revitalizing the enterprise depending on talents and scientific development, and 2 major strategies of brand development and overseas development, and has built the General Design and Research Institute, which is composed of 200 people, and Henan Complete Shield TBM Equipment Engineering and Technological Research Center. In addition, CREG has built the National Key Laboratory of Shield TBM and Tunneling Technology, undertaking 3 research projects. Meanwhile, by actively implementing the internationalized operation, CREG has built companies in Hong Kong, Singapore, and Germany, and agencies in Australia and Brazil. And its products have been exported to countries such as Malaysia, Singapore, and Ethiopia. In November 2013, CREG successfully acquired the intellectual property and brand name using right of Acre Worth, the well-known Germany hard rock TBM manufacturer in the world, and became one of the 3 major enterprises which can dependently produce the hard rock TBM, the shaft boring, the reaming TBM, and the inclined shaft TBM with the independent intellectual property in the world, which has opened a new journey of internationalization. CREG, taking the Butler service as the second life of its products, has successfully established service centers in the cities of Beijing, Chengdu, Zhengzhou, Nanjing, and Shenzhen to provide domestic clients with 5S services of specialized services, spare parts supply, status examination, speedy response, and specialized training, so as to resolve construction troubles, guarantee project success, and realize mutual benefits. While producing its Shield TBM featured products successfully, CREG promotes the development road characterized by diversified products based on one major product to seek the long-term development. Its products cover 5 major equipment classes of Shield TBM, Gripper TBM, special tunneling equipments, piling machineries, and coal mine machineries, which make CREG have the ability of comprehensive equipment services, integrating scientific research and development, technical services, maintenance and reconstruction, equipment leasing, mechanical and electrical installation, engineering subcontract, and pile foundation construction. CREG's concentric circles culture has promoted its rapid development, and its sincere services have accelerated the market expansion. From the offline of the first tunnel shield in 2008 to sales of 38 sets of tunnel shields in 2012 and to sales of 47 seats of tunnel shields in 2013, the annual capacity and domestic market share of the tunnel shield have accounted for more than 50%. CREG actively fulfills its social responsibilities, maintains the health of the tunnel shield industry, and takes the lead in establishing the Tunnel Shield Industry Development Alliance. Besides, CREG has also built the Tunnel Shield Technology Innovation Fund to promote the homemade research and application of core components, completed the industry chains to promote the linkage of upstream and downstream and drive the regional economic growth, and take charge of the compilation of the standard of the tunnel shield industry to promote the sustainable and rapid development of the tunnel shield industry. The great dream comes to being in the great times, which will make for the great undertaking. We firmly believe that Made in China is certain to change the world. CREG wishes to cooperate with you to create a win-win future.